Adema's factory is located in Zhejiang, China, covering an area of more than 30 acres, has 50 advanced automatic injection molding machines. The production follows Industry 4.0 standard, and the production process is efficient and convenient. The factory is equipped with a dust-free workshop to provide a good production environment for products. Adema has an annual output of 1.6 million smart toilets sold at home and abroad. As a pioneer in the smart toilet industry, Adema provides users with comfortable and healthy smart toilet solutions. Adema Smart Toilet integrates intelligence, technology, and humidization, has multiple sterilization technologies to effectively avoid cross-infection. UV sterilization technology kills harmful bacteria or noxious worms, while automatic flap reduces contact with hands. Effective disinfection and sterilization with alkaline antivirus technology, cover flushing design to prevent water overflow. Adema makes your life easier. Little things in life that make the big things truly great. Adema will consistently follow our simple wish, enjoying easy life in peace.